Hello guys, welcome to Nateiva. Here we are for a tutorial of the top 3 features of a parent user account. We are going to start with the contact tab, and one thing you have to note in the contact tab is that it's a way for the parents who don't have the phone numbers of the school or of the teacher to directly contact them via the platform Nateiva. If they want to attach a document, they can do it here. They just have to put the title of the message and the message itself, then send, and the message will be sent directly to the school or to the teacher. Next, we have the attendance report. Attendance report here simply refers to the attendance detail report of a child or of a student during a particular month. We have to note two things here. Firstly, the attendance report is per subject, and secondly, per day of absence or presence in school. That is, for a given subject like this one, algebra, you simply have the day the student was absent in school. He was absent 2 days consecutively, and the parent will see the student was absent for algebra. Then next we have the report cards. Report card is a good way or a simple way for the parent to see directly on his phone or tablet or laptop the result of his or her child. So here you simply have directly the class attended, you have the average mark, the coefficient, the final mark, and you have the final average for the student concerned. So those are the top 3 features of a parent user account on Nateiva. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask for more clarification.